What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this video, I want to talk about XRP. And I think there's been a lot of hate towards anyone that talks about XRP or XRP in general, just because maybe they're for another position, or they're not for cryptocurrency, or they're tired of the consistency, not the consistency in the growth, but the consistency in staying in the same price, right? It's like it's a stable coin, the most unstable stable coin that you could have, right? Where things do fluctuate, mainly towards the downside. So if you're holding things, it's not really looking great for you. But I think people don't understand the battle that they're in, right? This battle is worth a lot more to the crypto world than anything else that's out there. And it means so much to someone like you who may be invested into anything, right? You're invested into Bitcoin. It means a lot to you. It's invested into You're invested into Ethereum. It means a lot to you. Anything that you're invested into, it means a ton for you. This is why I continue to talk about this, continue to believe in this project, and why I have so much. It's the only one that is truly fighting this battle against the SEC. While everybody else is like trying to step back and go, you know what, maybe we shouldn't be a part of that because now we may end up getting sued for $2 billion, or we may have to pay, billions upon billions of dollars in order to get out of this lawsuit. And who's to say that we're not going to pay more even after that? It's a long battle, and Ripple was willing to fight that battle, and we have to praise them for it, and we have to be a part of this so that we can fight the battle together. But the more that we don't support XRP, we're not fighting that battle together. But we do have a lot of people that are against it, and you can feel however you want to feel. You can have your own opinion, but I see many posts and things on Reddit and things everywhere where they're saying not only crypto is going to zero, right? But some people will say specific positions are going to zero, and that's where XRP comes into play. This conversation of XRP going to zero. Will it go to zero? Short answer is no, it won't go to zero. But let's talk about this. Guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. And if anybody is interested in trading XRP, you can trade up to 50x leverage on Margex if you want to utilize that platform. I know it's really flat. Like, things do not really skyrocket by any means because of the lawsuits and stuff that are going on. So it's an issue to see a massive return like you would with Pepe or Bitcoin or Ethereum or Jasmy Coin or whatever you're trading over there. But you have the option to trade those other things as well, from 25x leverage up to 100x leverage if you want to. So feel free to check out those links down below. But this conversation really comes in part of understanding that XRP continues to decrease in price. Well, yesterday we actually saw a little bit of an increase in XRP, but it's sitting at 43 cents. And if you were to go back, let's say a year, maybe even a little bit further, if you would go back and you would say XRP will only be worth 43 cents, I would have told you that you're probably lying. It's probably not true. And a lot of other people would have said the same thing, because we understood that before that we were going to have a conclusion, and we thought the conclusion was going to come in 2024. We saw a bunch of different wins for XRP, for Ripple, where the CEO and the chairman were rid of all charges, right? So you don't really have that aspect of it. You understand that XRP is not labeled as a security, the only one that's legally not a security. That is huge, absolutely huge. The price skyrockets to 95 cents. However, they bring out some more information saying we can definitely issue an appeal. So kind of pump your brakes a little bit. And that's what people did. They were like, all right, well, you know what? I'll take some profit here, because it did increase by 100% from like 45 to 95. So an increase of over 100%. I'm sure a lot of people were happy. But then you also have the people that believe in it long term and exactly what this is going to be when they're rid of everything. There's no litigation at all. XRP is free to move. Ripple is free to create partnerships and implement everything within these banks, the payment options within banks, and see XRP fly, right? That's what we're looking for. However, that's not the case right now. It's been very, very flat. And with it being flat, you have a lot of people that are losing faith in this position. And we're not talking about like 1 year being flat. We're talking about if we go back multiple years, you look at all history, and yes, it's up 7,300%, which is great from the beginning, right? You're talking about 2014, 2013, right? But if you talk about even from back here, you're looking at 24 cents. If you would have said in 2019 that XRP would be worth just 40 cents, 43 cents from 29 or 23, or even right here where it's 44 cents, if you would have said it's going to be worth less in a matter of 4 years, it's going to be worth less, I would have said you're absolutely ridiculous for thinking that. Now, back then, I guess a little bit further up, I was definitely into more of the SEC side of things because I didn't fully understand the battle that Ripple was having with the SEC and now we understand a lot more because we're getting closer and closer to a conclusion. So when people say, this is going to zero, I don't think it's going to zero. I think this is something that is insanely consistent, insanely stable. However, once you see that litigation, kind of lifted, once you see that there's no more battle between the two, betwixt the two, I think things will fly. I think it'll be worth so much more. And again, it is speculation. It is all speculation, but so many different things are going for XRP in the right direction, right? You talk about speed, you talk about security, you talk about cost, just everything that we all want as someone that takes cryptocurrency and utilizes it to buy this one thing or to even store it over here and gain value over there to have a max supply that's out there. So the point is of this video is to talk about whether XRP is going to zero or not. And again, short answer is no. Long answer is the fact that all these things are going for it, so it doesn't make sense that these would pull back to zero. And even if they had a max dilution that happens with it, right? All the 100 billion coins that are out there, we still wouldn't see that going to zero. It's still going to be worth tens or hundreds or even trillions of dollars, right? Tens of billions, hundreds of billions, trillions of dollars of a market cap, in my opinion, when it comes to use and it comes to adoption. So no, it's not going to zero. And you could say whatever you want about it, and you could say, I believe it's going to zero. No, I don't. So we all are entitled to our own opinions and what we believe in. This is why I have $43,577 invested into it right now. And this is why I'm comfortable with being down, I think like $8,000 at this point. I'm fine with that, right? I'm fine with being down in the time being. You have to struggle before you succeed. And I've seen that in many different cases. So no, XRP is not going to zero. I don't care what you guys say. It's not. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. And honestly, if you think any cryptocurrency is going to zero, you're dumb. Because there's no cryptocurrency that can physically go to zero. There will always be somebody that buys those cryptocurrencies. It will always be out there. It doesn't matter if something else, a scam project pulls liquidity, it's not going to physically zero. So if you think that cryptocurrency is going to have no value in the future, you're crazy. But you can think what you want to think. I don't want to call you names at all, but it's ridiculous to say that, right? A business can go to zero because it can be bankrupt. They can stop that and everything there. But a cryptocurrency can't. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links for Margex, for Patreon, for Twitter. I'm gonna get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.